YouTube? So today I am back with another YouTube video. What's up, y'all? So as y'all can see by the title, y'all already know what I'm finna do to this head because it needs done. Like, let's be realistic. Y'all, so I'm gonna do a couple hairstyles on her because y'all see this? Bit down. Y'all see this? She got a lot of hair. Whole lot of. So yeah, y'all, we just gonna be doing her hair. We're gonna do a bun, 2 ponytails, or 2 buns, 2 ponytails or 2 buns, and then we're gonna do the thing where they have the 2 twists down here, and then a ponytail. That sounds good because I'm not doing no slick back on all this here. Cause once y'all see me take this, dang, everybody takes me. But anyways, when I take this out this ponytail, y'all gonna be like, that is too thick to be trying to do a slick back on. So I would do a slick back, but if y'all like this video, then I'll do a slick back on my poo hair. Okay. So as y'all can see, she gonna be acting like she can't hear nobody, but she's gonna be crying.
What'd you say?
Because she's on her phone watching whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna need you to take this out because you're gonna cry if I do. Yeah, we're just gonna be using, we're not gonna be using a lot of this because I don't want a lot of product in her hair. So, but we're gonna be using a little bit of this or whatever. We're gonna be using this hard brush, okay? We're gonna be using water. Of course, I don't know why she put this on here because she definitely put this on here. But we're gonna be using spray bottle. Get that from the Dollar Tree. We're gonna be using the edge brush. Y'all, this dirty because, but it still work like here, yeah. But and then we're gonna be, get out your head. Then we're gonna be using this to party or whatever. And then we're gonna be using this to brush it out. Okay. So y'all, we just gonna get right into this video. First, I'm doing I'm put on the screen what I'm doing first though. This is the first look. This is a messy bun with a little bit of edges. This is just the lazy day back to school. When we go back to school on Tuesday, this is what you need. So I'm gonna get y'all a little close up. On to the next one. Alright, y'all, so these are the 2 ponytails. Look up. These are them. Oh, let me put this video around. Those are 2 ponytails. I'm gonna get y'all a little close-up look, and then we on to the last look. so this was the last one. Do you like him?
Yeah.
Because I didn't make her say yeah, y'all. I wanted to know her honest truth. And she's like she can hear me. But y'all see this? This is cute. Y'all see her edge right there? I love y'all. On fire. Okay? Okay. Alright, y'all, so do y'all like my hair? Wait, never mind, y'all. That's a whole nother video. Alright, y'all, that's the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below if y'all want a part 2. Peace.